What will be the effect of the U.S. tariffs on the company?
That's the question of the day, maybe question of the year. The Philippine economy continues to post sound macroeconomic fundamentals in terms of continued GDP growth, declining inflation, robust demand that's supported by resilient remittances. And if you look at inflation, it's been going down. It is generally manageable, but actually in recent months, it has been going down. The last figure was 1.8%. That's inflation as of March 2025. And the inflation rate for the first 3 months of the year is only about 2.2%, which is almost at the level of the lower bound of the inflation target range of the government for 2025. So the macro is sound. And then if you look at the structure of the economy, consumption accounts for about and over 70% of GDP. Okay? While exports of goods accounts for only about 15-16%. And manufacturing accounts for less than 20% of GDP. So this structure gives us a certain amount of protection. We are less vulnerable. We may be less open than other countries, but in this current environment, it is provides us some insulation from potential adverse effects from external developments. Now, of course, having said that, we remain conscious that the environment is changing, and we should be alert to the changes, both in terms of what is happening on the trade side, as well as what is happening on the market side, the markets that we serve. So generally, to be resilient, I think we need to be flexible in shifting conditions and protect long-term growth. I mean, as one Harvard professor said, we need to invest in prediction, in adaptability, as well as in resilience. These are the three things that will help us go through or navigate during this challenging period. Now, in the case of SM, the company, the core businesses in particular, retail, bank, and property, are closely tied to the domestic economy and the everyday needs of Filipinos. These sectors continue to show stability and relevance even as market conditions change. As consumption patterns continue to evolve, we are positioning ourselves, this is part of the adaptability that I mentioned, continue to position ourselves to meet new demands while preserving the strengths that have anchored our group over the decades. Our focus is to remain agile, maintain financial discipline, and stay well-positioned for sustainable long-term growth.